Hi everybody, Denise Cardenas here, and you are at the last step of creating your complete funnel. The next step is really to connect your autoresponder to your sales funnel. Okay, so just to kind of refresh your memory, the autoresponder is to help you automate your email. So as soon as someone enters their email address, they automatically get an email from you. So this is a great tool to have. The one I do recommend is GetResponse. You get this tool or software, by 30 days free trial and as low as $15 a month. And of course, it grows as your email list grows. So you could start off as low as $15 a month, but you could get this software for 30 days free trial. So all you have to do is, you probably see a link below this video, get your free trial, sign up, and then once you do that, you could log in, enter, your information to log in. To remember my password. So this is literally what you'll see. You'll be seeing here your leads coming in. You'll be seeing how many leads you've been getting. Yesterday got a couple leads in the last 7 days. These are the amount of leads of people wanting to learn more about my business. They want to know more about my products that I'm promoting and selling. So these are all people, reaching out to me wanting to learn more. So that's exactly what a sales funnel is all about. It's getting people interested into your own business opportunity. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to set up your first campaign where you'll be able to set up your emails automatically. Okay, so all you have to do is go right here and create a campaign. Okay, and you name whatever name you want to do. Maybe I'll do like a test. I've done many tests, as you could tell. Test 1, 2, 3, 4. So sometimes it's already taken. Test 0923. Perfect. So it'll tell you, the name is successful. You can put whatever name you want. I encourage you to put, a name that which business you're promoting or which, email campaign you're creating. It's super important. The next thing you want to do is go to Edit Campaign Settings. And right here, you could add which email you want people to reply back to you in. So you could definitely add a new email here. And you could set it up, because when you set up your new account, it's going to ask you all this information. So you could add as many emails as you want. Okay, so you guys could set that up on your own, but it'll tell you when you sign up what email address you want to have in file. Okay, so you go to permission section, and I want you to unclick all of these. Okay, if you don't unclick them, what happens is as soon as someone opts into your capture page and enter their information, they're going to get an automatic email needing them to confirm that they meant to add their information into your campaign, and you don't want them to do that. You want to automatically start sending your own emails. You don't want them to confirm. They enter their information, automatically they'll start receiving your info. So make sure you do unclick these, okay? Right here is important to, like I mentioned, to choose which email automatically. This should be set up automatically, so I wouldn't worry too much about this, okay? Next, I'm going to show you how to set up your emails. So all you do is go to Messages and create an autoresponder. Okay, so you're going to do this. So I want you to automatically leave this immediately. So meaning as soon as someone enters their information, they immediately get an email whatever day they entered it. Automatically they get it. Okay, so you could go to here, create new email. Okay, and I already have a set up like an email template for you guys to use. So you guys will see that, and probably the link below here where you guys could literally copy the emails. they're pretty much sample emails, so please customize it to your own business and customize it to you. So here's pretty simple. You put a name to the subject of the email, so you could just put like welcome. Okay, you just go next. I'm just going to show you how easily you could just do one. Okay, I normally start from scratch. I really don't use any of the templates, and I just start from scratch and I go to blank. Okay, and all you have to do is put a text box. Let me show you an example that I will be providing for you guys. So all you do is pull this email, and it'll tell you, it'll show you exactly how to do it. Like email 1, you want it to be in sequence 0, meaning that automatically when they enter their information, they automatically get it, okay, which is where you saw right there, was it immediately. Okay, you could send to bridge video, or you could send, just say welcome, after they already saw the information. I'm just going to erase this. I don't want you to be confused, so ignore that. And all you have to do, honestly, is just, you could just copy this and then go to the autoresponder and just paste it in. See, so definitely customize it to you. Say, hi, it's, Denise, or, and it's just a note to say hi and thank you for being you. Here's the information you requested, or, something like if they already saw the information, just, just to remind you, if you haven't watched the video, click here or something, and put your name. You could also put your image, so that way they, oops, I didn't mean to do that. So that way, let me erase this. So you could delete it here, go back here, and you could add your own custom images. As you can tell, I have a couple already, but you could just upload from your computer and choose whatever image you want. But I'm just going to put a little sample, of this picture right here. And you could, shrink it. You just have to kind of mess. Whoops, that's not what I meant to do. What you could do is just shrink the image. That way it's not huge. And you're going to see on this side, how it's going to look in mobile, which is kind of cool. And you could, move this if you wanted, to be in the center. And as you move that, it'll move it here too. So, which is cool. And then, you could mess with all these other stuff that they have right here. But that's normally what I do. All I do is put next. And let's see, as you can tell, you see I have it in 0, and that's what my, oops, sorry, wrong one. This is what my, autoresponder, email showed, where you put email number 1, sequence 0. That's what I mean by it. Keep it at 0 right here. Okay, and just keep this the same. Do not erase it, and just put save and publish. Pretty simple, right? Okay, so that's, you see it. You could also view it, how they will view it. Okay, and you could also go back and edit, and just edit whatever you like there. Okay, let's go back. I really don't use these other ones. Here you can see the statistics. But those are the main ones that I do. You could test the email. You could email it to yourself to see how it's going to look. So you leave it in 0. So you're going to go to the next one. All you do is, add here. It automatically does it for you. 1. Just leave this the same, and you could just go back, create an email. You put the title. You could always switch to titles. Oh, actually, here I have 2 zeros, meaning they get 2 emails at a time. So you could do that, or you could just go straight to number 1. Okay, but let me show you how you could do two emails at once the same day. All you have to do is just add here. Okay, and it leaves it at 0. Leave that there. You could switch, just maybe delay it, maybe like an hour. That's what it means by it. You could delay it. or no earlier, but I normally just, put no more than an hour. You could do it again, create a new email, same process. You could just copy the title, which this one says, did you get my email? All you do is go copy it. Super simple. I try to do it as simple as I could for you guys. Put next. Same thing, go to start from scratch. I always just go here. You add a text box and you could just copy this. Like that. You can add an image and you just could put, oh, you know what? I forgot to show one very, very important thing that I want you to do that I didn't do in the first one, okay? I want you to do this for every single email that you sent out. I want you to copy this and put it here in plain text, okay? If you don't do this, I'm going to show you. Sorry, I'm getting all these messages. Move. Oh, great. I want it to move. It's not going to move. Okay. Oh, really? Okay, perfect. I knew I was going to do that. Sorry, guys. All right, so this is super important because it's going to go to the spam score. Meaning, have you noticed a lot of times you get people's emails and they might go to your spam box? Well, you don't want that to happen. So make sure you check the spam score. This is super important. You see I have a little spam here, spam score 1.6. It's okay, but a lot of times it will, put it in spam. And just kind of, oh, you see, I have all caps. It'll tell you why it's scoring it that way, okay? So go back and I'll switch it. Oops. Hold on, let me see if I didn't go too back. See, they don't like it in all caps, so just change it. Did you get my email? Did you get my email? So it'll tell you instantly on why it could go to spam. So you want to make sure you fix that. So I fixed that. Let me go back to the spam score. See, I'm back to 0. You try to be at 0 as much as you can. It's okay if it's like maybe point something, but try to always keep it at 0. Always double check that. But it's very important that you copy here too. Just copy and paste it. And of course, it's going to be like a plain text. So no images or anything like that. If you do have a link, just make sure you add it here. What else? I also, just say for instance, you want to add a link. Instead of putting that long link that you want to put, make it look pretty. Like for instance, if you want to put click here, just highlight it, go here, and then put your, one of your links, whatever it might be. And, just highlight it type of thing. So that way you won't have to put like a long link or ugly looking link. Just make sure you copy, you go to this little tool right here and I'll have it, okay? So make sure you do that. It's super important. You don't, you want to keep your emails looking pretty. And I think that's pretty much it, guys. So let's see, let me save it. Okay, so we have 2 emails. It'll automatically do it automatically as soon as they enter their info. You could do the same, add another 1, 2, 3. I have like about 7 emails for you guys to follow here. You see this one will be sequence number 1. See, I have click here. So include your link to your sales page, and that's exactly how you'll do it. You highlight it and you put that little insert link here. So you could put it there. Let's see. It makes it look pretty. So I have a couple emails you guys could copy. Of course, customize it to you as best as you can. And that is pretty much it. As soon as you're done with that, as soon as you are done here, I want you to go back to your ClickFunnels, okay? So log back into your ClickFunnels. Log in. and you're going to see TWC funnel, or maybe you change the name, but if you see, go back to your funnel that we created, and this is the last step to make it work, okay? So you go to edit, okay, and you go to settings and integration, okay? You go here, you go to get response, and you go to add campaign. Just refresh it just to make sure all, you're probably not going to see this many just because it might be your first campaign. But, you know, just look for it. And which one did we choose? It was test something, right? Where are you? Okay, let me refresh one more time. Oh, here it is. Test 0923. So make sure it's connected. Put save. Okay, put save. And that's pretty much it. So let's test it. It's always super important that you test it. Okay. And just, I'm going to use this information. Just put, yes, I want my free membership. Test it. It should go to your video. So you want to start and, you know, I added this. You probably didn't see this in the last video, but I did add this because we were saying about a free membership. So, you know, maybe if I want my free membership only, or yes, I want to become an elite. And upgrade for $1, and then either one, if they choose, you know, just say I want to, you know, right here I want my free membership, you could send them to the free membership site. Okay, so let's see, let's go back to get response and make sure that the email went through. Okay, so let's go back to here, and you could add these so you could see how many leads you're getting by going to here. Let's see, you shouldn't see this many on yours, but I just have a lot of campaigns. So where did it go? See, I got one email, and it's my email. Okay, that's super, 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 super important that you do that. So always test it, okay? I'm going to show you one more thing, and because you're probably going to ask, how the heck do you integrate GetResponse with ClickFunnels? All you have to do is go to integrations here in your ClickFunnels. And you put add new integration. Okay, you put the name, whatever you want to name it. You go to get response and you add your API key. Okay, the way to find your API key, you have to go back to get response and go to, let's see, I think it's in account details. Yes, so you go right here, API, and then you copy the link here, copy, and you paste it here. I'm not going to paste it just because I already have it, but paste it, you put create integration, and it automatically will be here, okay? And then once you go back to your funnel, you'll be able to see that and integrate it just like I showed you. And that is pretty much it, guys. That's how you create a funnel. And let me show you one more thing on how to get your link. So you could, you know, add this to your Instagram or add it to your Facebook. Whatever it might be that you're using this link for, and all you do is copy it, okay, and try it in a new browser. Okay, you put it right there, and it should automatically pop up. Okay, and you could test it, and you could put your information, and make sure that you're, you know, getting the emails, and make sure, you know, the sequence is working for you. Okay, one more thing I just want to add on top of it is, I really hate long links. So go to a free website, okay? It's bit.ly.com. You could create it. It's a free tool to use. It just automatically adds me on, but I'm sure when you log out, I don't want to do all that right now, but you know, go to Bit.ly, create a free account, and you could just create your free Bit.ly link, okay? and you just put it here, and you could title this whatever you want. I'm just going to put free membership TWC, and you could, I'll just put test, but you could put anything you want. I could put Denise TWC membership, whatever you want. Just make sure, one little tip, put your name there, something new I learned. That way you could always, like I mentioned, keep on branding yourself. And all you do is put save. You see, and it creates it for you. You could just copy it. So you copy this link to anything, like I mentioned, to your Instagram, to your Facebook, whatever social media you're using to promote it and start getting your leads in. So I'm super excited for you guys to plug this in. I'm going to have everything laid out for you guys. Just click, add it, customize it to you. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions, okay? The really cool thing about this website is that it tells you how many clicks. And you see I have a webinar link here at 95 clicks. My Instagram, one of my Instagram links, 202. Probably these are like testers or I haven't promoted it well enough. See 22 clicks. One of my funnels is 700 clicks. So it really tells you exactly, how many clicks you're having. So it'll tell you exactly, how well this source is. See right here, I'm having a lot of bad dark traffic. Not that great. It's all through Facebook here. And see, it'll tell you where people are getting my stuff from. So it'll give you a lot of statistics for you to look at and, how well it's working. Let's look at this one. This is one of my best ones. And it'll tell you, how many leads and stuff or clicks I'm actually getting from it. So there you go. It's telling me, 500 and something from Instagram, some from Facebook, some from dark traffic. They just really don't know from where, and it'll tell you what country. So this is a really cool tool to use. Make sure you use it. I really urge you to use it just because I really hate the long links and it just looks spammy. You don't want to do that. You want to really make it look sexy, right? Make the link look sexy. So that is it for me. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Let me just kind of show you my Facebook. You could always reach out to me or any person in the group. Look for me, Denise Cardenas. Just reach out to me, send me a message, send me a friend request, and I'll be happy to help you guys out and get everything going, okay? All right, I will talk to you guys soon. Take care. Bye-bye.